Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle of today's newspaper. In today's newspaper of Friday, May the 22nd, 2020. This binary puzzle. Let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here an O, and there an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here and one, there and one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an one. Double O, here and one, there and one. Double one, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an one. We have a double O here, so here and one, there and one. Between two O's comes an one. Double O, here and one, there and one. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and one, there and one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. We have 4 O's here, so the rest are ones. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and one, there and one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and one, there and one. Between two ones comes an O. We have 4 O's here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. We have 4 O's here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there and O. We have 4 O's here, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there and O. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. Great binary Sudoku without any identical rows or columns. Anyway, do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we have left one Sudoku. This should be a tectonic Sudoku. The last Sudoku in this additional of this newspaper. So I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic, aka Suguru. Thank you and bye bye.